Ever felt like your life is a mess with too many things to do and not enough time to do them? Imagine if you could have your very own AI assistant, one that works for you 24/7, no coding required. What if I told you that in just 10 minutes, you can build your own AI assistant, and it could help you make money? Stick around, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, step by step. First things first, let's talk about the tools we're using. We're going to combine 3 incredibly powerful tools: Flowise, Zapier, and Voiceflow. And guess what? No coding required. These tools let you build, automate, and even monetize your AI assistant with just a few clicks. Step 1. Head over to Flowise. This is your AI's brain. It connects all the dots to make sure everything runs smoothly. Sign up, and once you're in, create a new flow for your assistant. You'll be able to train your assistant with your voice, or even give it specific tasks like answering emails or managing your calendar. See how easy it is? Flowise gives you templates for common tasks, but you can customize them to fit your needs. Let's build a basic assistant that responds to emails. Next up, let's bring in Zapier. This tool is like the bridge between all the apps you use. With Zapier, we'll connect your AI assistant with your email, calendar, and even Slack, so it can perform real tasks automatically. For example, we'll create a zap that triggers whenever you get an email, and Flowise's AI will respond with a custom message based on the keywords. This turns your assistant into a proactive helper. Want your assistant to talk to you? Here's where Voiceflow comes in. With this tool, you can build voice commands, so your AI assistant can chat with you and respond just like a real person. Create a voice flow that allows your assistant to greet you every morning or read out your emails aloud. Now, here's the best part. How much can you actually make with your own personal AI assistant? Well, AI is a massive business. Freelance AI assistants charge $50, $100 per hour, depending on the complexity. And if you're offering specialized services like automated scheduling, email management, or customer support, you could easily earn $1,000 a month or more. The more you automate with tools like these, the more scalable your AI assistant becomes, and the more money you can make. So, in just 10 minutes, you've set up an AI assistant that can help automate your life and even earn you money. It's that easy. No code, no hassle. If you want to learn more about building the future of AI with zero coding skills, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more practical guides. Imagine what you could do with an extra hour every day, or an extra $500 a month. With the right AI assistant, you can make it happen. Thanks for watching Byte Wired, where technology meets simplicity.